today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Skyscanner to a WordPress website. If you want a quick setup without installing heavy plugins, one of the easiest ways to do it is by copying an HTML and JavaScript snippet directly from Skyscanner and embedding it into your site. This method is simple, lightweight, and great if you just want to place a travel widget on a page or post without adding extra tools to WordPress. To begin, go to the Skyscanner Partners Affiliate Program website. Once you're there, navigate to the Widgets section. From that area, click on Affiliates and then open the Travel Widgets guide. On the next page, click into the Travel Widget guide again so you can access the widget setup instructions and code. At this point, the portal will generate a short snippet for you. This is usually just two simple lines of HTML and JavaScript code. Go ahead and copy that snippet carefully because this is what you'll paste into WordPress to display the Skyscanner widget on your website. Make sure you copy the full code exactly as provided so it works properly when embedded. Next, open your WordPress page or post editor where you want the widget to appear. In this example, we're going into the site editor, so click on Edit Site. After that, give WordPress a moment to fully load. This is important, especially if your theme or editor takes a few seconds to open completely. Once the editor is ready, click the plus icon to open the block inserter. This is where you can add a new content block to your page. In the search bar, type custom HTML and then select the custom HTML block from the results. This block is the right choice because it allows you to paste external embed code directly into the page. Now paste your copied Skyscanner snippet into the custom HTML block. It's a good idea to double check that nothing was accidentally removed or changed during the paste. Even a small formatting issue can sometimes stop embedded code from displaying correctly. When everything looks good, update or publish your page. That saves the changes and makes the widget live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully added a Skyscanner widget to your WordPress site using a direct code embed. This approach keeps things streamlined and avoids unnecessary plugins, which can help your site stay cleaner and lighter.